ona ni ndina ruo ruingi muno ta muciari ta principal secretary na njoke ndimwire ndari mwarimu once upon a time na ndathomithirie cukuru ya imwana for a whole like 12 years na ihinda ria ndathomithagia kuu wari cukuru yetagwo Kirowea Boys kuri ihinda ciana ciathire gicagi kiari in the neighborhood atemathie kugira indo ciao meciragia ciaiyitwo ni andu a gicagi kiu, and in the process we lost a child who happened to be my best student early form 2 na tuigwire ruo ruingi muno. I mourned that child for a long time. Now I'm asking myself, losing a whole 21 children, it must be incredible pain. Dirashakaya na inywe atugateri ihinda riria njokire haria nejo ni monire I cried all through because I know it is so painful. So aciari turashakaya na inywe na ndimwire handu ni executive the entire cabinet tutongoretio ni our head of state, all that they have you at heart. Ni maramuhoera muno na I'm sure rabi ciao no ikurehwo koguo hakwa ni kurugama na inywe na ndimwire as the government ni turugamite na inywe na nituramuhoera. It is so painful what you're going through. Joke juge in every challenge there are lessons learned. Koguo hari uria twathoma as a government na githomo kiu no muhaka tumenye uria tugwika going forward. Hari rwimbo twainaga no ni ndikuhota kuina tondu na riria ndagerie ku join kwaya itu nderirwo ndirabacia ngirutwo ndathie cukuru ria kwaya forma gwandu mathie makaina kigeria ku join ngiwaingatwo ko ndimenya kuina no hari rwimbo rera gwatiriri gikuo gioka koria ria twendete gitotigaga na maithori tukeyuria twikite Ngai atia tithero fafe na gitumi aciari gutindo twikite Ngai. It's just an accident like any other. Ndamuthaitha umiririai as hard as it is nigukorwo ti undu wa kawaida guthika ciana citu turagia ingigatuthika. But now that it has happened, let's leave everything in God's hands. So what I'll say is, may you find peace and strength in the memories that you share together with your loved ones. May God bless you in a big way. Asanteni.
PS. Thank you, our PS. Karibu wale wanaingia saa hizi. Leo nani neke idike mwili o kaudu kanini itaneta mukami. Kwa wageni mimi naitwa Njoroge Wainaina. Watu wa area wamenipatia kibarua nikawa mbunge wao na washukuru kwa hayo. Diria udoe wakikire like 2 days ago I posted in our parliamentary wall. Na korona ogena kahida na gatireho. I can tell you how many members of parliament have given their condolences to Kinyegoku. I want to thank kama mbunge wa area, all the leaders, aria condolate na idui. Starting with our head of state, William Samoei Ruto. He called me yesterday. Na ndiramwira nimugite na thayo. Na rajira ndage na ihinda riri ndimwire pole. Twagia na ihinda ria kugayana wira, tukigaira gavana wira, tukapatia kazi ingine kwa RC, kazi ikawa mingi. Mujumbe akihana tanyihanyihirwo ni wira. No ngira Ngai he wira uria muritu muno. Na wira uria wari muritu muno no wa organize mahoya makorwo mahana uguo moki umuthi. Ucio ngioera ngiuga ni mukuheo irio, ni mukuheo mbeca, no nani ngiuga ngwita atungatiri mamu connect na Ngai nigetha ngoro cia ngiuga. And that is what I did. Nogo nigo ndirutire. Thank you ni undu wa guka. Wachungaji wetu asanteni sana kwa ibada. Wale ambao wameadhirika. This is my true story. Not more than 9 weeks ago. Lemwe mwezi 25, the Black Tuesday, 25th June. twe bunge tugeikia kura genone Bishop Kihuria gwaku ni kwa iwo ngihorerwo ni uria ngiakinjira ni maiya kiu kingi ngeciria na mutumia hindi yo ari Aga Khan akomete awaiting an operation like 2 hours away na twathie dieta todo social media ni cikinyagia ndeto akinjira kai gwitu kuheire ngimara it's true we have lost everything I need sympathy from everybody. I thought the fire in my place was a joke. My heart goes to you all. My mind, my prayer goes to you all. Did I need that was my own brother? That was in 1988. When death visited our family, oh my God, I felt I've been defeated. 1988, when I lost my brother. Nitire kindu ingimuhe ndimureheire tugatiria ya nigetha mamu connect na Ngai na cia Ngai mukinyire inywe gutare na kindu kingi ni ingimuhe ya kumuigania. Above that ni tugutwarana na aria tukuhota gutwarana nao mwathi na rumoro tugutwarana na inywe. By the way, wakwa ni na rumoro, I'll go with you na nitugwika uria wothe kurendwo gwikike ndi itura rio nigukorwo ndina representation from CDF niturugamitie wira wa CDF thiini wa Kieni tombe tuhitane na thina uyu uri guku Kieni shamani to budget digukwira undu nijue nindakunengera marua maria mothe nguikagirio ndiage kunengera ona ndugacokie tondu nijue ni urajokeirie no tondu anxiety andu iri hori uria turaririe mbunge reke uikare uguo no na andu gakiongerere thiku itore tuongereire hindi wenge budget yagwa ni tutigakiongerere nigetha tukihingia undu ucio kwa heshima kubwa sana. Thank you muno nima ni mwendiretite Njoro no arathomire social media. Thank you muno my brother ni undu wa guka tutwarana nawe. KDA 083N higurira andu aria angi njira nigetha tuthie na mbere. Karibu mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro upeane la birabu zako
Thank you muno my elder brother. Sawa sawa akanitahari iguru muno no soka sokia the hanini angangwisia wathima na DMM. Asante sana our clergy